Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today in English second we are going to start lesson number 10, that is the river bank. In the previous video I have given you the explanation as well as question answers of poem. I hope you all have completed that. Now we will start from page number 114, so please open that page. So students, this is the chapter. This chapter or this story is about four animals, animal friends. Those are the mole, the toad, the rat and the badger. So let's read how the mole and the rat became friends. Before that, let me tell you, rat you all are aware. Let me tell you what is a mole. Mole are furry bug-eating animals that look like little mice or squirrels. They dig tunnels under and means underground and they live there itself. Okay. And in Hindi, let me tell you, the moles are chachundar. Okay. So we will start from the first paragraph. Okay, the mole had been working hard all the morning cleaning his little home, means he was doing cleaning, then first with brooms, then with dusters, then on ladders and steps and chairs, then with a brush and a pail of whitewash till he had splashes of whitewash all over himself. He continued that one. Okay, means he did everything, mopping and dusting, cleaning, brooming. Okay, then he did whitewash until he splashes or he had splashed everything on him. Okay, all over himself. Now what he said, this is fine. When he did this one, he said, this is fine. Then, jumping off all his four legs at once, he bolted up the steep little tunnel which took him nearer to the sun and air. Means now he came out of that tunnel, and what he saw as he wandered along, suddenly he came to the edge of a river. And after coming near to the river, what he saw, he never seen a river in his life before. So he was very fascinated, and he loved to see the sparkles, the gleams and the swill, the rustle, that the chatter and the bubbles of the river. Okay, means the sound of water, the sound of flowing river, and very beautiful noises. When he heard, he was very fascinated. Now next page, you can see here in the picture also. And after that, as he sat on the grass and looked across the river, a drag he saw a dark hole in the bank opposite, just above the water edge. He saw something, what, dark, means it was a hole and it was very dark, but what he saw, something bright and small seemed to twinkle down in the center of it. Something was twinkling, and what happened, it vanished, then it twinkled once more like a tiny star. So he was very, he wondered, what is it? Then what happened? But it could hardly be a star, he thought, and it was too glittering and small for a glowworm. Then as he looked, it winged at him. Again, it started winking. He thought it is a star, but then he thought it could not be a star. Then again it winged, and so the mole knew it was an eye. So he came to know that it was an eye, and a small face began gradually to grow up round it. A small animal came out of that, and what was that animal actually? That was a rat. Okay, we studied, no, in starting only I told you that we are going to study about the rat and the mole, how they became friends. Next, when it came gradually, it began to come up, or it was like a frame around a picture. Then a brown little face with whiskers, very small face with little hair, okay, on the face, and small neat ears and thick silky hair. It was the water rat. What was that? Water rat. Hello rat, said the mole. Would you like to come over? Asked the rat. Oh, I would love. He said, okay, I would love to, said the mole. But how do I cross the river? Then what happened? The rat said, nothing but stopped and united a rope and pulled. Means he took a rope and he, gathered that rope and pulled on it, and then he lightly stepped into a little boat which the mole had not seen. A little boat which was, whose boat? That was Red's boat. When the mole inquired that how we are going to cross the river, so he took out his boat, and mole, he has never seen any boat before. So it was painted blue outside and white in within, and was just the size of two animals, very small one. And the mole thought it was wonderful, even though he did not yet fully understand its uses. He was not aware about a boat, so he was wondering. Now turn the page. You can see here in the picture, the rat rowed smartly across the river. Means he started what? Using the boat. And what happened after that? Then he held up his forepaw as the mole stepped carefully down into the boat. Okay, means they both were very careful when they were, means the mole was stepping inside and the rat was already inside the boat. This has been a wonderful day, said the mole. Do you know, I have never been in a boat before in my life. Yes, as I told you. So who said this? The mole. So what? Cried the rat. Never been in a, means you never. Well, I means he was not, means he was like, what to say? He thought that he knows how to sail a boat. Okay, how to use a boat. Then what have you been doing then? Means he was like, well, then why have you come inside my boat? Like that. It's so nice at all that, as all that, I asked the mole shyly as he leaned back in his seat and looked at the cushions, the oars, and felt the boat sway lightly under him. He was enjoying when he was lying down, and he thought, wow, it's a very beautiful day and nothing can be good more than this. Then, nice, it's the only thing, said the rat as leaned forward for his stroke. Believe me, means he was going forward and forward with the help of that boat. And what he said, believe me, young friend, my young friend, there is nothing half so much worth doing as simple messing about in boats. Means he was telling that you can also use it. It is very simple. Simply messing, he went on dreamily messing about in boats, messing. And then what happened after that? When they were talking, this one, means when he was telling, the rat was telling to the mole that it is very easy to use is this one, and we can go wherever we want. So what happened? Suddenly the mole shouted. What? Means the mole cried, look out. Means something was there. And what happened? It was too late. The moment he cried, what happened? The boat struck the bank, because they both were started enjoying. And finally the mole saw that, and the mole warned whom? The rat. And what happened? The rat lay on his back at the bottom of the boat, his heels in the air. Means his position was completely opposite when the boat struck the bank. Right? His heels were up and his head was down. About in boats or with boats, the rat went on calmly, picking himself up with a pleasant laugh. Means he was laughing, but he didn't want to show to that to the rat, and he managed somewhere to get him up. Then in or out of them, it doesn't matter. If you are free this morning, shall we drop down the river together? Again they started planning something and have a long day of it. Then what happened again? Means here when I was talking about the messing all the time, it means they were enjoying. And whole day when they were talking about to have a long day, means to spend the whole day doing something with each other or with whatever you like. Okay, so what happened? The mole leaned back again into the soft cushions happily. What a day I am having, he said. Let's start at once. Again they started moving the boat. So this is what the story, and they have became what? Friends. Okay. Next we will start. First you have to do the word meanings of this chapter. Okay. Today in this video I am going to give you question answers as well, reference to context, and read, reflect and write, which is there on page number 117. So students, here are the questions. The first reference to context is, the mole had been working very hard all the morning cleaning his little home. Likewise, you have to write. Okay. So the question is, where did the mole live? Where did the mole live? Yes, the mole lived underground down a steep little tunnel. Next one is, what did the mole use to clean his house? So the mole cleaned his house with brooms, dusters, and brushes. Next one is, what did the mole do as soon as he finished cleaning? So the mole bolted up the steep tunnel to the surface of the earth. This is the answer. Next question is, next sentence, next line, look out, cried the mole suddenly. So the question is, where was the mole? Who was with him? So the mole was in a boat with the rat. Okay. Next question, why did the mole shout this warning? Was the warning in time? The mole shouted out the warning because the boat was going to strike the bank, right? No, the warning was not in time. What happened after that? The boat already stuck. Okay. Next one. What happened immediately after this? What happened? The rat fell down with his back on the boat's floor and heels up in the air. Okay, means his position was completely opposite. Now, come to the next part. Read, reflect, and write. The question is question number 5. What is the question? Why did the mole sit and look at the river? So the mole was fascinated by the river as he had never seen one before. So he sat and looked at it. Next question. How did the mole know that the twinkle was an eye? The mole knew that the twinkle was an eye because it winked at him. Next question. Why was the mole very careful when he stepped into the boat? The mole was very careful about stepping on the boat because he could slip and fell into the river. Right? You can see in the picture also he was very careful. Next one is, was the rat a good friend to the mole? Give reason for your answer. Yes. Yes, the rat was a good friend to the mole because he invited the mole to his side of the river and also took out his boat to help him cross the river. Understood? So these are the question answers. Students, complete your work, and in the next video I'll be giving you the remaining part of this chapter. Till then, keep studying and take care.